Great.
Yes. Yes, it started. Hi, Samira.
Hi, Anu Auntie.
How are you, bacha?
I'm fine.
Okay, all of you, please mute yourself. So, thank you so much for everybody to be here, especially Shivi and Samira. These are two girls starting with S, and both of them are simply beautiful.
Thank you, Anu.
Yeah. So, we're going to start. I just thought that on our forum, we have been introducing everybody, but we haven't been introducing kids. We've not represented them so far. Yesterday was the first kid who went online, and we recorded what he said, and it was beautiful. So today Samira is going to be talking to us, and she's going to tell us how she feels sitting at home and what according to her is COVID-19. So I will ask her first, and then she can answer. So Samira, hi, thank you so much. Can you introduce yourself, Samira, how old you are, which school you go to?
My name is Samira Mendirakta.
Yeah.
I am 7 years old. I go in school, Avalon Heights International School. I am in 3rd grade.
Wow, you're a big girl, yeah? Okay. Samira, how's it feeling sitting at home?
It's very nice because I think COVID-19 or coronavirus is something or some feeling or something has come in my life that can connect me more with my family.
Oh, beautiful. And how is it connecting you to your family?
When there was no corona lockdown, I would go in the morning to my school, then I would come, then I would change my clothes, I would watch TV, then I would have some of the other class, I would attend that class, I would come, then I have a second class, I would go to my second class, I would come, I would change into my night suit, I would eat my food, do my homework, and go to sleep. So there was not even one little piece of bonding with my family members. Only on Sundays we could play only a game or do something. Otherwise, I was very busy. In this lockdown, I still have some classes and virtual school to entertain me, but to give me the real feeling. But my parents have shared their love and everything. Not only my parents, every single family member has shared their love with me, and it's very fun.
That's nice. And so, how do you know that's love?
Because in every way they do it. Sometimes they shout also at me. Sometimes they try to be kind also to me. In every single way they try one or the other thing. That's the way they love me in every form.
Wonderful. So, when you're saying they allow you to be who you are, or what are they really doing over there? Can you just elaborate?
One thing I really like about my parents are they never compare me to anyone and always motivate me to even the baddest times of my life.
Wow. And that's simply amazing. So, Samira, according to you, what is COVID-19?
So according to me, COVID-19 is a blessing to meet my parents and understand what they really want from me.
So, what do you think they really want from you?
They want us three to do any form but to bond together.
Wow.
But it could do, but since I was so busy and Papa also is busy, in every form we are still busy, but I see that we get more time to bond.
So if there was a message for all the adults over here who think they know it all, right? Most of the adults, we as adults think we know it all. What would be one message that you could give to them?
That in this corona lockdown, do whatever they can. They can do whatever they want to do and be themselves. And if any family member or if they are a family member spend their time with their family.
Okay, so they should spend time with their family. And what kind of time should they spend with their family? Like
Like-
us, like what kind of time, Samaira?
Play a game, watch a movie, talk to each other to understand more better of themselves.
So, if there is a message you would like to give mommy and papa, something that you haven't told them otherwise, what would it be? Let's say first for papa. Because once COVID-19 goes off, once everything opens up, then is it that we'll stop bonding? What is it that you would like to tell them?
I want to tell, this is for both of them,
Okay.
that after the corona lockdown, the same thing will happen, but we should find even 1 second, not 1 second, I mean 5 to 10 minutes to bond with each other. That's what.
Wow. Brilliant. I really, really loved the way you interacted with us. Is there anything else you would like to say?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
I want to tell you something
Please go
about
ahead.
my school
Okay.
and classes. Every time in my classes, I do gymnastics, I do my school, and I do some coding. I do every single class which I can, and I practice my piano and I play. This corona lockdown gave me to see the things which I had never seen. Like if I had some extra toys or games, I could play with them and see them, that I have such a, like once I wanted this kind of a toy which I wanted. Mama and Papa didn't buy it to me because they must have been knowing that I had it. So when in this corona lockdown, when I saw it, I was so amazed that I have it already.
Oh, wow. Do you miss anything during this coronavirus?
Yes, I miss my friends to see them each other, and I miss some of my family members because I can't see them and hug them. But I always spend time with them also. So I thought this coronavirus is so precious to me that I can spend time with my mom and dad.
That's true. That's true. Papa is traveling otherwise, right?
Very much.
Okay. Thank you, Samaira. I really loved what you told us. And all the adults sitting here, we can be inspired by you. Thank you so much for being here. And we'll connect with you again, Samaira. Okay? Bye. Bye, Samaira. So I'm going to,
Something in the chat box.
what is there? Something in the, oh my God. Oh my God. They're saying wonderful. God bless you. You want me to read the messages? Shaina, could you read the messages for her, please? Thank you.
Sure.
Thank you.
Samaira, lovely talk. Loved every word you spoke. And people are telling you, thank you, Samaira. Wonderful. God bless you. You are amazing. Bless you, Samaira. Wow. Love you. You are adorable. Play well and enjoy sending you kisses. Amazing, Samaira. You are a bundle of joy and inspiration. God bless you. God bless you, child. Amazing.
Samaira, do you want to say anything to your friends? Because they might be watching this Facebook Live.
Yes.
What do you want to say to them?
I want to tell them that don't worry, spend time with your family, have some fun in every single way you can, and after the corona lockdown, we'll again play.
Yay, that's it.
Wonderful, wonderful, Samaira.